If I told you our story, would you believe me? If I told you what we're about to do, would you judge me? If you knew what I knew, would you stop me?
We were worried about you, Vincent.
Sorry to hear about your dad.
I think I know who did this. I feel if I tell you, you'll lose control.
One day at a time, baby. You guys have any idea who?
I hear all the boys are getting back together.
So you're telling me you just sat with Rome and talked?
Rome saw his chance and he made his move. I know it was him.
So you're not wasting no more time, huh?
There's no time to waste. Eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth.